Good morning, everyone. It is April 27th for Kyushu Institute of Technology, Tabata campus, week number 3 for KIT 2C on Wednesday, first period. Although this is the first period class, this is going to be the video for all of my 2C classes, first period, second period, and third period. Okay. Now, last week, we did your week 2, but I wanted to begin talking about some stuff from the top of the class. Specifically, your academic calendar, which I believe I have put up here. Oh, no, that's the Izuka campus calendar. There's your calendar. Your calendar for Tabata campus is here. And I wanted to tell you right now, I'm not sure, I haven't decided, but I'm thinking that on July 27th, here on July 27th, I'm thinking, not yet decided, I'm thinking about moving this class to this Saturday, July 23rd. I'm thinking about changing July 27th to July 23rd. Now, I haven't completely made up my mind yet. I'll be sure to tell you as soon as I make up my mind, but I'm thinking about moving July 27th's classes to July 23rd, which is a Saturday. So we'll have to be on the campus on Saturday. So I'll try to tell you that probably around the middle of May, certainly before we come to the last half of the class, but in plenty of time, I'll be thinking of moving the 27th classes to the 23rd. Okay, oops, here to the 23rd. Okay, I can't highlight all of 23, but in any case, I'm thinking of that right now. And when I finally decide, I will tell you. Okay, now, last week in week 2, you had a bunch of assignments. And the Moodle explanation that I gave, this is the instructions video, is now here. So every week, this recording that I'm making, every week I put that into the week's Moodle assignments just beneath the class content and objectives. So always below, down here. Okay. Now I want to remind you that you had a lot, and I'm really sorry about this. I personally, I don't think that you should be having this many assignments, but the university wants you to have all these assignments. I don't think you need to have all of these assignments, but you had the PDF that you had to read. For my own assignments, you had to watch a couple of videos. This was your homework that you had to do and the review exercise. Most of you did that. Most of you did that fairly well. And there was a pre-test quiz and weeks 1 and 2 quiz, and those were already due last night. So I hope that you were able to do that. We'll talk a little bit more about your semester writing task because this is a very important long assignment. And this is another long assignment, your listening lab student response files. So both of these two are going to be due around the end of July, around that time that I'm going to move the class. But last week you had all of this to do. Okay, so I hope you got that done. University is a lot different than high school. If you don't get it done, it's your problem. You don't just go up to the teacher and say, give me another chance. So I'll give you more assignments this week. Again, I have my own assignment, which is to give you the information that you need to use my videos a little bit better. Okay, and when you're doing the Moodle quizzes, because you have another Moodle quiz here, when you're doing the Moodle quizzes, these are instructions from the university, PDF on how to use it. And you have another PDF, okay? So this is not the same PDF. This is topic sentences some more, or topic sentences 2. The one before from class 2 was, where is it here? Where did it go? There it is, introducing topic sentences 1. And then you have a quiz on that. Whoops, where's the quiz? There it is, topic sentences 1 quiz. So this quiz is about last week's PDF. Then you have this week's PDF, which you'll have a quiz about in the next class after Golden Week. Now, before Golden Week, you still have your homework. This is a video again, and this is a quiz about that video. Okay, make sure you get that done by this Saturday. And then before the Sunday, do your quiz for the PDF. And then you have your week 3 and 4 quiz, which is due after Golden Week. So you have plenty of time to do this, but please don't forget. Okay, this is May 10th. Then we still have time to talk about this as well. And we will talk about this in this class, but this is where you give me your video for your self-introduction video. So what I suggest that you do is you watch my sample video. So this is the video that you can try to make your video like. Okay. And when you do your video, you hold your camera out. Okay. Try to look like this. Check against this. Listen to this video. You can try to copy the content. But remember, do it naturally. Don't do it with a lot of memorization. Try your best to do it just in your own style. Okay, and I believe that was all I needed to show you. Yeah, I think it was. Okay, so remember, if you have any questions about anything else, always use my email, jdmcruz@gmail.com, or you can talk to me at the end of this class. Okay, thanks very much.